boss, how did it go?
Did Twinkle Toes dance for you?
He got away from me.
What do you mean?
Yeah, who got away? Twinkle Toes. He escaped.
Oh.
Oh boy. We have to find the grotto and the entrance to that secret railway. Once we find the engine, we can control Twinkle Toes' power. Then it'll be easy to destroy. There he goes with the word destroy again.
So violent.
So boss?
How come you let Twinkle Toes escape?
Yeah. So, well, I did it on purpose. I was testing him to see if he could escape. Liar.
Pants on fire.
He doesn't wear pants.
Are you saying that's a good thing?
Alright! Playtime's over, Splodge.
Oh.
Now it's time for the next lesson. I call it how to stop being stupid. Oh boy. Yeah, now that's just gonna ruin my fake show.
Hey, who are you?
I'm Lily. Who are you?
I'm Patch. My parents run the stables.
Morning, Patch.
Morning, Mr. Stone. I'm riding in Shining Town this afternoon. Could Lily come along, if she'd like?
I'd like to.
Sure, she can go. Be back by sunset, Lily.
Do you want to come too?
No, I never go there now.
Bye, Grandpa.
So, have you ever ridden a horse before?
No, I haven't.
I'll never forget the first time I saw you. You took my breath away. I'll never forget when you said you loved me. Those kind of memories stay. For some things never leave you, they stay in your mind. Some things never leave you, even when you've left this world behind. I'll never forget our first dance together. You seemed to float on air. I said I can't dance, but there I was dancing. I felt like Fred Astaire. Yet some things never leave you, they stay in your mind. Some things never leave you, even when you've left this world behind.
That home run made me look pretty awesome today.
Yeah, I only threw the game away.
Hey, it was a good pitch. P.T. Boomer.
Burnett Stone.
How are we supposed to find this entrance?
It's covered with buffers.
That doesn't help. There are buffers everywhere, just like the steam engines. Makes me feel a little out of place, if you know what I mean.
There's way too many of them.
These new diesels are weird.
They're a menace. Thankfully, only one of them seems to be dangerous.
You steam engines are a nuisance sometimes, but at least you work hard. Those diesels need to come pick up their wagons. My dock is getting more and more crowded.
Well, how's that for appreciation?
Oh, I've got to get out of here. Presto, I'd given up on seeing you again. What's blue, green, and red and goes beep beep?
A parrot, and you mean chirp chirp?
Nah, trains. Talking trains. I'm about to see them right now. And cousin. Do you want to come?
Trains don't talk, silly.
Not where you're from, but they do where we're going.
I want to see for myself. Can we be back by sunset?
Of course. I want to get back to the beach. It's this way. We'll take the shortcut with Cud's extra supply of gold dust. No matter, we'll have plenty more soon.
Did that train just drive itself?
Hop on. We're taking the Conductor's Railway.
It looks very old.
Yeah, I don't think this railway is going to last much longer. It'll vanish like the engine.
What engine?
The one that used to travel on this railway. Cousin, I never saw it. We don't know what happened to it. All that's left are these Century engines. Hey, what's that doing there? Ready, Lily? Here are the buffers!
Where are we?
The end of the line, of course. This way.
Bless you.
I think I'm allergic to grass.
Junior, look!
I told you. Far as I know, it happens to all the engines on the island, except for the ones at shining time.
Annie, Clarabelle, look! There's Mr. Conductor!
And who's coming over
Wait.
here?
No, it's not. What are you two doing out here? All alone?
And who might you be?
I'm Thomas. I thought you were someone I was looking for, but you have a much different style.
Oh, was it Mr. Conductor?
How did you know?
He's my cousin. We all wear the same outfit. It's rather boring if you ask me.
So, who are you?
You can call me Junior. And, oh, Lily, Thomas. Thomas, Lily.
Hi.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to Sodor.
Is it alright if we ride along?
Sure. I'm looking for Mr. Conductor, too. I'm finished with my train. Annie, Clarabelle, I'll send Percy back to fetch you. We've heard that one before!
What's the matter?
Travel sickness.
I see something at the windmill.
Presto, Lily. I think it's my cousin.
Mr. Conductor, we found you! Thomas! Thank throttles you're safe!
Hey, cuz, what's up? Enjoying the sun?
No, Junior, I am not. As a matter of fact, I've just landed here after escaping a heavy metal monster. Junior, where have you been? Is your sparkle back, Mr. Conductor? No, it isn't. But I do know the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and dither.
Hey, cuz, you're looking terrible. Why don't we get more gold dust? Cuz I used yours up to get here, and then you can go back home, and I can go to the beach.
Junior, I want you to listen to me, and I want you to listen to me very carefully. Cinders and ashes.
Oh, cuz, not to be rude, this is Lily. She's staying with her Grandpa Stone.
Hello, Lily.
Hello.
Stone? You mean as in Burnett Stone? Junior? Junior?
Whoa!
Junior, what are you doing up there? Come down! It's too windy!
This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds!
2 seconds is all it takes for you to land in trouble!
Ah!
Aha! Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh no, my beach bag!
You won't be doing any surfing up here, Mr. Kahuna.
Really? Watch me.
Hang on tight, Moon Doggy.
What's gonna happen to Junior now?
Well, my family is usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually. The way things are going, I'm not sure we can wait until eventually.